Hey guys, here's Quality. Got a job today to do. It involves big monster Suburban, and we're gonna put that tow hook to work. But yeah, it's a Reese. And we gotta pull this tree down the Redneck way. It's just falling apart and we're ready to tear it down, help my parents out. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can do it. Oh yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah, definitely did. All right, guys, we got this redneck engineering going on here. Got a really big chain connected to another chain, another smaller chain, and then a strap. It's up right there. So yeah, we're gonna do it.
Hold your beer.
Just keep it sideways and
Can we get your truck in there too? Give it a little yank. Timber!
jeez, thing's huge. Here's me, bud. Dang. That is crazy. All right, well, success. She did it. Tried easy at first, and then we just gave it a good yank.
Timber!
Yeah, now we just gotta drag it out of the way. Where do you want it? I can just follow you. Right there? Yeah.
Ho! Come here, Brennan. Go forward a little more. for this stuff, yeah. I'll grab it. It's hard to get out of there.
I'm surprised the grass didn't, like, it didn't burn up the grass. It just gripped. That's how big it is next to that. Oh, man. It's just crazy. Look at all the ants. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I got more fun stuff coming, and I appreciate you guys' support. Have a good day.